Hello, welcome back to the Cloudwaale. Here in this video, we are going to see how to send a custom notification to community user once uh, account account owner got changed to the community user. So let's start. First, we have to create the custom notification type. So let's go to the setup, and here you have to find the notification type. You'll get option called custom notification. Click on the custom notification, and we have to create one notification type. So let's create new notification type. I'll select the Salesforce option, and here we have to give the notification name. So send notification on owner change, notification, notification on owner change. Okay. So also check this checkbox notification for desktop or mobile. So I'll select both the option and click on that. So first step we have done. Now we have created the custom notification type. Now let's go to the flow and create the flow to send the notification. So let me go to the flow. I'll create new flow to send the notification. Let me open a new tab. Just go to the flow, create new flow. So as we have to send the notification once account owner got changed, so we have to select the record trigger flow so that we can select the event like account update. So let's select record trigger flow. Now we select the object. We are going to create an account. So let's select account. So now here trigger the flow when here in this option we have to select the record is updated. Okay, for our scenario. And in and set entry criteria, we have to send notification only when account owner got changed to the community user. So here you just select the owner ID and operator use is changed true. That means account owner got changed, then this flow will start the execution. For second condition, like if this owner is a community user, then only we have to send the notification. So I am not going to specify that condition. You can mention that condition in your flow. Okay, so just click on done. Next thing we have to do is we have to get the notification ID, like we have created custom notification type. So we require this ID to send the notification. So what we are going to do, we are going to fetch that by using this option. So here just click on plus icon and use get notification, get record. So get notification type, select object. So here we have to select the custom notification type, and condition, just mention the name, developer name equals this notification name, copy the API name for notification, and in value you have to add that. So we require only one record, so other option keep as it is. Click on done. Now we have fetched the notification type. Next thing we have to do is collect the recipients whom we need to send the notification. So here what we will do, we'll create one variable first, and then we'll assign the recipient IDs to that variable. So just create new resource, go here, create variable for API name. Let me type two IDs, or let me recipient ID. Okay. Data type text, allow multiple ID because recipient can be a multiple. So we mostly have to pass the recipient IDs as a set or list. So now that's the reason we are going to define it as a collection. So let's make it as available for output and input. Click done. So we have this variable ready. Now we'll assign the or we'll add the owner ID to this set. So just click on this option and click on assignment. Assignment, give the label, collect recipient IDs. Now what we have to do, we have to select the recipient IDs collection over here. Then we have to use the add operator. Which value we need to add? We have to add the account ID. So just select the record dot owner ID. We have to add the owner in the recipient. So what we are going to do? We are going to add the record dot owner ID. So and click on done. So now here first thing we have collected the notification type. Second we have collected the recipient ID. Now third step, send the notification. So here we are going to select the action to send the notification. Select action. In the actions drop down option, just select the custom notification. So we'll get option called send custom notification. Select on this, give the label, send notification to portal user or community user. Community user. Now we have to select the input for this send notification. So first input required is the notification type ID. So we have already queried this data. So here you can see custom notification type ID. Just click on the custom notification type ID dot record ID. So for we have set the custom notification ID for this first parameter. Second parameter, notification body. What text you need to send on the notification, that we can select it over here. So to set that text, let's create new resource called we have to select the resource type as a variable, give name as body. In data type we can select text and give the default value. Count got assigned to you. Okay, you can add any text over here, whatever notification, whatever message you want to send in the notification, that you can send mention over here. Just click on the available for output and then same way we have to create the notification title. What title you need to send? So just click on new resource, select variable, again specify the name. So here title and the data type, select the text, give the default value, account owner changed. Okay, and make available for output, done. Now we have assigned notification type body title. Now we have to select the recipient already we have collected in the recipient IDs collection. Select that collection over here in the recipient IDs. Next thing we have to do is we have to select the target IDs. Target ID. Why this target ID is required? Whenever user click on that notification, you should see the record. So here what we'll do, we'll select the record.id. So let's select the record.id so that once user click on that notification, so system will open the account record. So that's it. Click on done. Now our flow is ready. Okay. So only thing which you have to modify here in the flow is that this condition, because for entry criteria I have mentioned only one condition, that owner ID is changed. So you can, if you want to send only for the community user, you can specify that a user profile, or you can select the license type for the condition. So this flow will send notification if account owner can be any user like standard Salesforce user or community user. Just click on done and save this flow. Send notification on owner change. Owner change. Okay. Click on save. Once this gets saved, we'll activate this flow. So activate it. Now your flow is active. Now we'll test this notification. To test this notification, I have created one portal, partner portal community. I'll just log in into that partner portal, and then I'll show you how you can uh, you are going to receive the notification. So let me log in into the portal. Okay, let me log in. Here you can see we log in into the partner community now. So already you can see notification icon over here. There are some notification. Okay, is some 4 hours ago received notification. So I'll mark it as a read. And what I'll do now, I'll try to change the account owner. So let's go to the account. First, let's create one new account. Give name as a test account. So I'll not fill up all the information. I'll just mention the test account as a name, and we'll save. Once we save this record, now here you can see account owner is this user Amulwar. So what I'll do, I'll change this owner to the partner user now. Just click on change owner. Here you have to select the partner user and select the admin. Okay, so this admin is one user I have created, and just click on change owner. Once we click on change owner, system should send the notification. Now let's go to the partner portal again, and here you can see new notification coming over here. So one option, now here you can see account owner got changed, account got assigned to you. Okay, and it's just few seconds ago. So likewise, we can configure the flow to send the notification to the community user, as well as this kind of notification we can configure to the standard users also. So that's it in this video.